Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got a fun one for you. Today we got another episode of Worker Work. We are here at the GPU mining farm. As always, want to send a big, huge shout out. Thank you to you, the community, for having us in your home. Also, big shout out, huge thank you to the team for having us. Huge thank you to the team out here at the farm, having a lot of fun doing what we're doing. But this is another episode of Worker Work. Had a lot of community requests to talk a little bit about our operating system, as well as what miner program we're using. So in the background here, you can kind of see, I'm out here at my cart in one of our aisles. These are our 7 and 8 GPU workers. We're looking at Team Red Miner here. We had been on Phoenix Miner for quite some time with our AMD GPUs. We were noticing some issues as far as some very weird reporting issues when you would hook a screen up to your miner, but if you would shell in, you would never be able to see it. Well, what that did was that actually caused us to have issues knowing what was the issue when we were using the screen, because that error was showing so much. So we reached out to Taj over in HIVEOS Discord, and as always, guys, do your own research, but we'll have links in the description down below to everything we talk about. Told us, hey, you need to change miner programs. Phoenix Miner's more built around NVIDIA GPUs. So since we are using AMD, as you can see out here at the farm, we figured we'd give Team Red Miner a shot. A couple things we've noticed with Team Red Miner right out of the gate is it doesn't ramp up quite as quick as Phoenix Miner does, and there's not as many power fluctuations. So that's great as you're starting GPU rigs up. We're not actually popping fuses and stuff. We're also getting much steadier power draw, no more fluctuations. So huge difference there for Team Red Miner. Another thing I want to talk about, a lot of people have questions about the operating system that we're using. So we currently are using HIVEOS. We were on HIVEOS. HIVEOS had some serious problems as far as reporting issues. You would start a GPU worker up, and what you notice is it could take 5, 10, 15 minutes for it to report. So one of the biggest things we noticed right out of the gate with HIVEOS is almost instant reporting. And when you're working on a lot of workers, and we say a lot of workers, you know, those every seconds count. So that's a huge benefit for HIVEOS. Also, HIVEOS actually is going to let us, if one of our GPUs is overheating on a worker, it's actually going to let us to go ahead and continue mining, where HIVEOS would actually shut down that entire rig or worker, and you would not be able to fire that worker back up unless you did a power cycle or a reboot. So we are here at the GPU mining farm, talking with you guys a little bit in this volume of Worker Work about our operating system, as well as what miner program we're using. As you guys can see, we all currently are AMD. I want to send a huge shout out to the community, the guys over at the Brandicoin Discord. What's up, guys? Guys like Batman, Done One Too Many Too, of course, Walter, all the mods over there. Big shout out to you guys. Really appreciate your support. Enjoy talking to you. Also want to send some love over to our boy Crypto and Hot Rods, Nemesis, man. Those guys like Crypto Mikkel over in the DCA Adventure. You guys are great. As always, you guys know I like the community. Huge proponent of the community. If you guys are new to the channel, this is a really good time to hit that subscription bell. That way you can keep up with the shenanigans on what we're doing. Also, if you guys like these kinds of videos, now's a good time to hit that, give us that thumbs up. Comment down below, let us know what you think, what other questions you got. Just wanted to wrap up just a little chat here on Worker Work. As we said, talk with you a little bit about Team Red Miner. Team Red Miner, we are also noticing that it'll actually start mining right away before HIVEOS actually starts all up. Comment down below, let me know if you guys are seeing those issues as well. But it is nice being able to see hex values and those things, because we use those daily. We need those hex values. Getting good reporting from Team Red Miner as well. So if there's anyone out there in the community watching this video from Team Red Miner, reach out to us. I'd really love to talk to you. Also, as you guys know, we are here at the GPU mining farm. So if you are a ASIC miner producer, Bitmain, in Silicon, anyone like that, you guys have a new ASIC for mining Ethereum or something, I would love to test that. We have the capability to run those things in multiples of those. So if you got hardware, reach out to us here. I'd really love to talk with you guys. People like Zotac, NVIDIA, ASUS, ROG, ASRock, any of you producers as far as GPUs go, I'd love to talk with you as well. Hardware guys, if you got CPUs, reach out to us, guys. We love to do testing, as you guys know, but we are here at the GPU mining farm, and we do have the ability to, well, use those types of things. So, if you guys have talked to us before, I'd love to talk with you more. Reach out to us as always. We love being a part of the community. We're just having a lot of fun here with this episode of Worker Work. Talk with you guys about HIVEOS. We'll have a description for you that down below. We'll also talk with you guys about Team Red Miner. As always, if you have questions, comment down below. Let us know what you think. My name's Wes, not your normal miner. Wrapping up this episode of Worker Work. Thanks, guys.